Here at Beverly Hills Clean, we know life can get messy. And we know that it isn't always as easy to clean up these messes after a long day at work. When moments like these happen, Beverly Hills Clean is there for you, no matter the time of day. We offer exclusive services based on your needs. You tell us what you need done, and we will build the package around your needs so that you get the best price. Oops! Looks like I'm gonna need the bigger bucket. Beverly Hills Clean knows that life can get messy. Cleaning these messes can be hard after a long day of work. We are here for you. Tell us what you need done, and we will build a package around it to give you the best price. Looks like I'm gonna need a bigger bucket. Life is messy. Beverly Hills Clean is here to help. We can build you a package based on your needs so you get the best price possible. Looks like I'm gonna need the bigger bucket.